Hi, and welcome to a new natural home remedy video. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and activate the new video's notifications bell.
When you have constipation, going to the bathroom is a true problem, especially when you are not able to have regular and normal bowel movements and your stomach feels inflamed and stuffed. In spite of all of that, there is good news for you. There are natural alternatives that allow you to greatly improve digestion. In this video, we will tell you about 6 foods that are natural laxatives. These foods can be very beneficial for your overall health and digestive system, as they are all natural and thus have less side effects than medicine. 1. Bananas. Bananas contain plenty of fiber which greatly helps us improve digestion. Also, among their numerous health benefits, bananas boast fructooligosaccharides, which are powerful substances that improve and increase the growth of gut flora. For this reason, it is important to incorporate this delicious and sweet fruit into your diet, especially if you are suffering from constipation. 2. Apples. Apples are rich in pectin, a type of heteropolysaccharидose that helps the proper functioning of the intestines. Apple cider vinegar, one of the products that are extracted from this fruit, is an effective natural laxative. 3. Berries. Some berries like cranberries, strawberries, and blackberries are very rich in antioxidants which are very effective in helping clean the colon. Also, since they have such a great flavor, these delicious fruits are very versatile because you can eat them in a large variety of ways, like for example, in tasty juices and smoothies, at breakfast by adding them to yogurt or cereals. If you eat them together, cereals with yogurt and some of these berries will be a combination that will have the best effect on your intestine. 4. Carrots. Carrots are a great natural detoxifier. Their frequent consumption helps your intestine function normally and properly. You should eat them raw, preferably, grated on end salads, in juices, and if you prefer them cooked, they should be steamed so that they don't lose their properties. If none of the aforementioned ideas have appealed to you, let us recommend you something very special that even your children will like: eat grated carrots with honey. It will be delicious and you will also get to take advantage of honey's properties. 5. Onion. Onion, besides being an excellent natural remedy for reducing cholesterol levels, prevents complicated diseases like cancer. It is also an effective antioxidant. Thanks to the presence of vitamin C and E, it is also a good laxative because it effectively collaborates in the proper movement of the intestines, enabling normal and continuous bowel movements. 6. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a great natural laxative due to the large amount of fiber that they contain. They are also an excellent protector for the colon and prostate because they have a lot of lycopene which gives them the red color that characterizes them. They are also responsible for preventing cancer in these organs.
Thank you for watching. Take some time to see our other videos. Leave your comments and questions below, and don't forget to share your results. If you haven't subscribed, please do it now. And don't forget to click on the little bell below to receive notifications of new videos.